Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Haris bin Amirus. I'm from Faculty of Chemical Engineering for Oil and Gas Engineering in UiTM Shah. I'm from EH243 7B and I will be examined by Puan Sakinah Binti Muhammad Alauddin. And this is my Internship 2021 presentation for my internship program with DeliWali Engineering Sdn Bhd. For the company information, the company name is DeliWali Engineering Sdn Bhd. The company is based in Ampang and I will be supervised by Engineer Encik Muhammad Razi bin Shah. You can contact the company at deliwali@yahoo.com. Okay, for the company background for DeliWali Engineering Sdn Bhd. The company is founded in 2002. DeliWali Engineering provides business in supplying and engineering services, especially in the area related to the oil and gas and petrochemical industries. DeliWali Engineering as a supplier follows the customer demands and able to quickly offer product specification, pricing, and delivery schedules for customers' requirement. Next, DeliWali Engineering as an engineering service offer necessary service and assistance on the majority of the problems the customer facing in handling the oil and gas production. This is the list of clients of DeliWali Engineering Sdn Bhd. There are multiple well-known companies such as Shell, ExxonMobil, Repsol, UTP, and others. DeliWali Engineering hold a great reputation among the clients due to their excellence in area of expertise, which are the supplying and engineering in the oil and gas industry. Okay, next, for my operation of my internship. The whole operation of my internship is done from work from home due to the COVID-19 pandemic and MCO restriction from the government of Malaysia. Due to this cause, the internship program from the beginning until the end is done from home. Interaction of the students and the supervisor is done using multiple platforms such as WhatsApp, email, live meeting, and others. Okay, next, for my internship activities in my internship program for DeliWali Engineering DeliWali Engineering Sdn Bhd. As a side note, many content from this internship activities is confidential and for internal use only. Hence, I will be doing my best to explain the general idea of my internship activities during my internship. My first activity is Oil and Gas Production and Engineering Handbook Learning. The company given 2 handbooks to the students, which were the Introduction of Oil and Gas Production and Oil and Gas Production Handbook. Also, additional notes regarding offshore platform provided to the students to increase the knowledge regarding the topic, which is the oil and gas production industries. The main objective of learning and studying these handbooks is to increase the knowledge and expose the students regarding the oil and gas industry to give the general idea on what the oil and gas industry is about. Oil and gas industry consists of various and detailed processes involved in order to the oil and gas production to proceed. Students given personal time to complete the reading and study of the handbooks and create a simple report according to the handbooks given. Then a report is submitted to the supervisor in order to supervisor to verify whether the students understand or not. Next, the study of FPSO topside process and utility scheme. Student given task to understand the FPSO topside process and utility scheme. Reliability safety, and flexibility are one of the key factors in securing maximum uptime for the FPSO facility and system. Hence, several systems is crucial for the FPSO to produce efficiently. I've been given two systems to focus on, which is the turret and swivel system and gas lift and water injection system. What is swivel? Swivel is a mechanical device used on the drilling rig that hangs directly under the traveling block and directly above the Kelly drive. Swivel provides the ability for the Kelly and the drill string to rotate while allowing the travel block to remain in stationary or rotational position. Swivel allows the fluid from the production well goes into the treatment process. Hence, the turret is where the swivel system come in form of swivel stacking that are widely used in the current oil and gas production due to the ability to minimize the space required for the installation of multiple swivels at a time. Next, we'll be moving on for the gas lift and water injection system. What is gas lift? Gas lift is the most common artificial lift to boost the production rate by injecting the gas through the casing tubing annulus through a gas valve and can be combined with other methods of artificial lift to maximize the potential of production boosting of the well. Next, water injection. Water injection can be used for dual purposes, which are for the cooling of the machinery from the process treatment or boosting the production well using the pumps that can be injected alongside the gas lift, which is the gas injection. Next, my next activity for my internship program is safety analysis. The safety analysis process is done by a study of Petronas technical standards. What is Petronas technical standards? Petronas technical standards has been developed based on the accumulated knowledge, experience, and best practices of the Petronas group to keep the standard for oil and gas production on the national and international operation standards. Hence, multiple specifications of the process, equipment, the process, and all other elements in the production of oil and gas in the platform must be required based on the Petronas technical standards. By studying these Petronas technical standards, I'll be able to create an escape route in case of emergency in the oil and gas production platform. From this action, the emergency plan for prevention and mitigation in case of fire and explosion in the production site can be created. Hence, the fire and explosion strategy by installation of multiple features on the platform such as water spray, safety boost, alarm, assembly area can be implemented. Hence, the impact and the cost from the accident can be reduced immensely. That's all for me. Thank you for listening.